Hello and welcome to another sequel of my video of the Keighley and Worth Valley Railway, and we are back at Ingrow station. In the last episode we looked at the Vintage Carriage Trust. Today I want to show you a very small museum just up the road from the Vintage Carriage Trust. This is a small museum run by the team who owns the locomotive Bahamas. I've actually seen Bahamas before, so before we look at the museum, here's a few clips of Bahamas at York.
He's got the yellow look. He's up to the duty. You can have the signal as well.
I'm not going to talk the rest of the video. I just hope you enjoy looking at this small but quite nice museum. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it.